Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adedoyin. If this is your first time here, I make videos around lifestyle and I do vlogs as well. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. Yeah, and if this is not your first time here, if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for sticking with me. So this video is just basically like a little, this video is basically like just maybe something is sounding there. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I bought on Temu. I'm sure you guys, if you are in UK, Canada, I'm not sure if it's in the US, but I'm sure UK, Canada, like you would have heard about Temu. People are using Temu for so many shopping, like needs and stuff like that. It's pretty much like AliExpress, but it seems to be way cheaper than AliExpress. So I've gotten a couple of things from them, like a couple. When I say a couple, I'm being like humble. Sometimes I just go there and just buy things I know I can find like in a regular store. I just go there because online shopping is fun, really, guys. So yeah, so this time I went and got some things on. I mean, this is not the first time I'm buying things from them. Like this video I'm showing you guys is not like the first items I'm getting from them. I've gotten a couple of items before this and after this, but I got this like as a bulk at the same time. So I thought, why not film? So it's probably like the largest bulk like I got at a time. So decided to film. So I got some items for the house, and it was like a nightwear, what's it called, a nightwear all kind of thing. So not like a lot of them, like 4 or 5 nightwears or loungewears or something like that. So yeah, so if you guys would like to see what I got, kindly keep watching. So this is me just unboxing. I actually thought I was going to do it ASMR style, but we did more talking than like unboxing. So let me just do a voiceover. I think that's better. So the first item is this beauty blender here. So I've been using it and so far I think it works really great. It came in these 3 colors, and like I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm not even a beauty or makeup enthusiast. So like I'm not going to be spending bucks on tons of money on beauty blender. So this it works as good as like the ones I always buy. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And the next item was this carpet rug thing. I don't know what to call it, but it's somewhere in between a carpet and a rug. It's not like very fluffy. It's not even fluffy like, but like it's more like a carpet. It just stays on the floor really. Yeah, so that's a video of it. Yeah, and it's not very big, but it does the job. It's like a center rug kind of thing. So opening the second bag now. I've got this nightwear. So I told you guys it was going to be like a nightwear home essentials or home wear kind of thing. So I got a couple of nightwear. So this was the first one you're seeing. It's really soft and nice. I actually love all the nightwears I got. So, but yeah, I really love this. And the color, it's really vibrant. Yeah, it comes in an elastic band, long pants, and a spaghetti top, kind of crop top kind of thing. Yeah, so it's really cute. It has this crown design all over it. I love it. The next item is this backpack. So fun, even fun. There's nothing fun about it. I love the color, love the design. Honestly, it's cute. I love it, but I've not been able to use it. Why? It didn't come buckled. Like I don't know, is it buckle they call it? Like so where the back straps are supposed to go in now. Yeah, so it did not come like strapped in, and like when we try putting it in, like it doesn't stay. Like the space where the strap thing is supposed to go, like the space is too loose. So like I feel like when you put it in, and like if you put some stuff that are like that weigh a bit much, not like a lot of stuff, but like if you put significant stuff in the bag, it's going to pull out like of that space. I don't know, maybe we are not getting how to exactly buckle it, but yeah, that's that. So I haven't been able to use it. This is just like a stand for your pots. um uh gas top and the counter area is, we have really limited space, and I didn't want to be putting a lot of pots. We have limited storage spaces basically, so I didn't want to be putting pots, a lot of them, on the gas or on the countertop. So I decided to get that to put some pots on. I got two of that, so you see the other one later. But this is just like a spoon cutlery tray kind of thing. Yeah, it's smaller than the space I intended it for, but of course I knew it was going to be smaller because I didn't find the exact size of the drawer where I wanted to put it, but that works anyway. I'm okay with it. Yeah, so this is another nightwear. This is like a two-piece as well, but this one is a short and a spaghetti top. Yeah, elastic band at the waist as well. Nice ribbon thing at the waist as well, and it just says good night. But it's comfortable, soft, love it. Yeah, can't complain. Okay, this is another nightwear. This one is a dress. The dress, they call it a gown, dress, whatever. So it just says Queen of Naps. Queen of Naps. Not like I take naps anyways. If anybody is not the Queen of Naps, it's definitely me. But yeah, I got that. It's comfortable as well. Yeah, soft, nice. And one of my faves. No, it's not a nightwear. This one is a swimwear actually. I don't swim, but I mean, I feel like at some point in my life, I may need to enter water, go swimming. Of course, as I record this, I've actually used it once because I actually did go in a jacuzzi, so I wore it. But yeah, it's cute. I love it. Yellow is my color, so I totally love it. It just goes like it's alternate, just goes over the neck tight, and yeah, it's pretty. It's really nice. If you guys want any of the link to any of these items, you can let me know and I would send it to you personally or whatever. But yeah, that's if you're interested in anything anyway. But they're easy to find actually. Just go on Temu and search for what you want. You will probably find better stuff anyway. So, but I'm just saying. So this is a laundry bag for dirty clothing. So I'm just opening it up, stretching it out to see how wide it is. So it actually does the job. We've been using it so far. It's actually strong, really. Yeah, it's strong. That's one thing I have to say. Like the fabric is like, it has this very thick sack like texture. Like the fabric, it's not just cloth. It's like very thick. It's like the way, I don't know what material to describe it with, but it's thick. So yeah, it's good. This is like a dresser, like an organizer for my dresser. Really, I bought it for my underwears. So yeah, fun fact. Since I got it, I actually just fitted it today. Like I actually just started using it today. Like just put it in the drawer today and started using it. So yeah, I mean it's a bit taller than my drawer space or my dresser space, but like the height is a bit higher than it, but it works as well. It's okay. Next item are these canisters. I think that's what they're called. I thought they were going to be bigger than this. See, don't mind me. I never checked measurements. They had small, medium, large. I felt okay, large. Large might be too big. Let me just go for medium. And this was the medium. It's actually small. Like this is what I'll call small. Like if I was picking up these canisters like in a regular store, I would have probably called this one small because I'm like, how small can it be again? I want to be smaller than this. But yeah, I got four of them. So far, I use them for sugar. I don't even use them for salt because the salt container already comes like how do they put it now? It comes in a container of its own, so I don't even bother. So I use it for sugar, I use it for my seasonings, pepper, things like that. Yeah, so this is the second one of the pot rack. I told you guys I got two of them, so this is just the second one. Those things are very light, like, well, they feel light, but they actually do the job. So it hasn't broken down so far. So, and I stack like three pots on one of them, like on each other. So it's doing a good job so far. Yeah, so this is another sleepwear or loungewear, whatever it is. Interestingly, I feel I should have gotten more cold friendly, like nightwears and loungewears, because these ones are very light. Though they are comfortable, but they're very light, so it gets really cold when I'm wearing them in the house. But I love this one as well. It has a very stretchy fabric. The fabric feels very like stretchy, but it's also elastic band at the waist, spaghetti, and like but lace, made with lace or whatever. Yeah, very stretchy. So love it. So this is like a pot cover holder or spoon, like cooking spoon holder kind of thing. You put your pot cover on it when you're cooking. If you don't want it to like be on other surfaces and stain stuff, you put it in that side, and then your spoon can just stay on the other side as well. Just hang it somewhere around there. So it works, honestly. I think it's one of the most like effective things I got. Yeah, prevents like stain on my gas cooker, my gas, and my induction cooker, like, and my this thing, what's it called, like my countertop. So I love it. Yeah, last item is this bag. It was really smaller than I thought, like really smaller than I thought. But of course, nobody to blame but myself, because I guess I didn't check the measurement. But compared to the other bag, the straps fit in. So I've actually been using it, or I've used it once, and it works well. It's really cute. I like the color. I like the design. Quite just simple, really, just really simple. And yeah, that's all. That's all the items I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, yeah, that's what it means. Like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time, don't go without subscribing, please. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.